Hi guys, Ben Fletcher here from FletcherBlog.com. Today I'm just going to show you really quickly how you can add affiliate links to your blog, assuming you're using a WordPress blog. I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly and easily today. So just to show you what I mean, if you just come over to here, I'm just going to show you a few examples of my affiliate links that I have on some of my pages on my blog. If we scroll down here, you're going to see a few things that are affiliate links here. Like this one here, this is an affiliate link. Right there. If I hover over that, you can see that's a link, and that's actually an affiliate link. If somebody clicks that and goes through to this product and they buy it, I'm going to get a commission for the sale. This is an affiliate link as well. This is an affiliate link. I'm going to show you how to create links like these right in WordPress. So let's just show you what I mean right now. By the way, I'm going to be using ClickBank for this. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace. They will give you affiliate links. You can promote any of their products in their marketplace. They have a whole bunch of categories here that you can promote products in. If you use Amazon, this will work for Amazon as well. Absolutely no problem. Just follow along with what I'm doing and you'll be absolutely fine. You'll be good to go. So what we're going to do, first of all, just going to log into my WordPress site, this test site here. And we're going to come into the left sidebar, and as you can see, you're going to click plugins here. Click that. Once you click that, click add new up here. Then all you need to do, it's really easy, just come over to here, just type in 30 affiliates. As you can see here, just up here, just type in that 30 affiliates. What that's going to do is going to put up a whole bunch of related plugins here. Now, just one thing I want to point out here, you're going to have two options here for 30 affiliates. You're going to have this option here, you're going to have this option here. This one here isn't the one you want. The one you want is this one right here. What we're going to do is just click install now. And then activate. Then over in the left sidebar again, you should see an option here that now says 30 affiliates here. As you can see, 30 affiliates there. What you do, you just click that. And that's going to open up the link manager. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go and get our affiliate link. Like I say, this will work for any affiliate program at all, any affiliate links. This will work fine. I'm just going to use ClickBank for an example. This is the product that I'm going to create a link for. I'm just going to show you what that product looks like. This isn't my product. This is just a random product, just for this example. As you can see, this is the product. Now somebody clicks the affiliate link and comes through and buys, you're going to get credited for it. So let's just close this up. 1 second. Okay, to get the affiliate link, what we're going to do, click promote. And all you need to do here is just add in your affiliate ID there. As I say, this will work for anything at all. You don't have to use ClickBank. Any program this will work for. Just follow what I'm doing here and you'll be absolutely fine. If you get any problems, just send me a message. There'll be a link below this video where you can contact me, no problem. Just click generate hop link. What that's going to do is going to give you this affiliate link. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back to this in just a second. We're going to go back to my site here. I'm just going to show you an example. I've got an example post here. I'm just going to show you what this post looks like. This is just, there's nothing much here. This is just an example. As you can see, we've got none of this text here is hyperlinked at all. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link this text to our affiliate link, and I'm going to do that now. What we can do, come back over to 30 affiliates. We'll get our affiliate link, which was here. Copy that. Click new affiliate link. Give your affiliate link a name here. You can give it any name you want. Any name you want here. It's just so you can identify it. And here where it says destination URL, Really simple, guys. All you do, paste your affiliate link in there, click save. And as you can see, this is the link right here. This is the link we just created. This will now be our affiliate link here. Now, if you're not happy with this URL that it gives you, you can click edit here and you can change this part of it. But I'm just going to leave it like that. Copy this. Go to your WordPress post. Edit. If you remember, none of this is hyperlinked just yet, so we're going to create a hyperlink now. To do that, just highlight this and click this icon here and paste in the affiliate link we just copied there. Paste that in now. Now as you can see, it's hyperlinked. Click update. Go and refresh this page now. As you can see, it's now hyperlinked. That's our hyperlink. That's our affiliate link right here. Now if I go and click that, just wait for this to load. There you go, guys. As you can see, it's gone straight through to that product, through the affiliate link that we just created. So it's really easy to do. I highly recommend that plugin. It's called 30 Affiliates. Let me just go back and just show you. There you go, it's called 30 Affiliates. They do have a pro option. If I just show you down here. They do have an option for the pro option. You don't need that. You can use the free option just fine. Just follow what I just did there and you'll be absolutely fine. Obviously, if you want any more affiliate tips, my blog's over here. It's called FletcherBlog.com. See, FletcherBlog.com. I've got lots of articles here all on affiliate marketing that you might find useful. You're welcome to come to my site and just have a look at that. Obviously, below this video there'll be links to more information to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. I'm Ben Fletcher. Hope you found this video useful. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks.